Design review is an inherent part of every design. OrCAD X has an integrated design review and markup solution to enable your entire team. Anybody can open the design and add markup to the design, indicating the area or component that requires a change. Comments describing the desired change can be entered in the design review panel, indicating the change instructions along with who is responsible for making the change. Multiple design review and markups can be added to the design, which will result in a running list of ECOs that need to be addressed with owners responsible for making the change. Any other designer can then open the design and walk through the design review and markup comments. The tool will automatically zoom to the markup area and optionally recall the visibility display present when the design review and markup was made. Designers can then make the desired design changes and then set the design review and comment to complete. Enable your entire team to participate in design review with OrCAD X.